Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can stake with Crypto.com. So yeah, let's go straight into it. Now first thing first, you will need to open up your app, then head over. Like here you can see explore and next to it earn. So you can click on earn like that, or you can go to an account. And then if you scroll all the way down, you will see other available products and press here start earning. Right here, you will see some flexible short-term, long-term. So if we go to flexible, you will see Bitcoin is 0.25% PA. So as you can see, this Akash network right here is 9%. And so on. Then we have short terms and long term. But if we go here back to the home and then earn, I can show that. So now we can explore a little bit. So if I hit discover, here I will see more coins which I can earn on. So if I select maybe KSM right here, because it's 14%, you will see that I have flexible terms 3 months and 1 month. So this also depends how many percentage you will get on every term. So if I go with flexible one right here, what I need to do now is just put in some quantity of this coin. And what I will see here, if I stake now, estimate activation will be February 14th and first reward 15th, so at the end of the week. And yeah, I just set here the quantity and then just confirm stake and you are ready to go. And that's basically it, how you can stake in Crypto.com. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.